Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your external devices on the Onn TV. If you have your Onn TV set up, and you should have your home screen just like this, I need you to navigate to quick settings and you go to all settings right here. Now navigate down to find remote and accessories. So an external device is an accessory. So click on it and then you pair an accessory. When you click on this button, ensure your device which you're trying to pair, be it a console controller, a USB controller, or any device basically. It could be any external device of your choice. Make sure it is on pairing mode, make sure it's discoverable and findable. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then you're going to be able to find it here. So you search for the device, you pull it up, click on it to connect. Give some seconds. When it's connected, you can enjoy the external device for the purposes to which you want to use it. So that's how to connect an external device. Found that insightful? Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this on the Onn TV.